By the end of this module, you should be able to identify key gas boiler components, identify where the components are located, and summarize how the gas boiler components work.
In this topic, we'll delve into the remaining components in a gas boiler, learn how they work, and where they can be found. Do you recall the components we covered in the previous topic? The main components of a gas boiler covered in the previous topic include burner, heat exchanger, expansion tank, circulator pump, thermostat, ignition system, gas valve. In this topic, we will focus on flue, supply lines, fan, and sensors. A flue is a component of a gas boiler that carries exhaust gases away from your home safely. It is usually a pipe or duct that is attached to the boiler unit and travels to the outside of the building, providing a secure passageway. Gas boiler flues are essential for maintaining the safety and efficiency of your boiler. They protect you and your property from potentially harmful emissions by removing waste products without exposing you or anyone around you to them. The location of the flue in a gas boiler can vary depending on the type and model of the boiler. However, it is typically located at the top or back of the boiler unit. A gas boiler has two types of gas boiler supply lines: gas supply and water supply. Gas supply lines are responsible for carrying natural gas from the supply directly to your heating system. The gas supply pipe runs from the meter in your home or property to the gas main on your street. The common materials used for gas supply pipes include PVC and black steel. PVC pipes are resistant to corrosion, durable, and suitable for underground exterior gas supply lines. Black steel or iron is another popular material for both interior and exterior gas pipes. In a building's heating system, water or steam is heated in a gas boiler. The hot water or steam then travels through pipes called supply lines to radiators and heaters located throughout the building. As the water or steam loses heat and cools at these distribution points, it flows back through return lines to the boiler. The cooled water or condensed steam is reheated in the boiler before being circulated out again through the supply lines. Gas boilers utilize a fan to properly ventilate the hot gases generated from burning fuel. The fan circulates these high-temperature gases through the flue pipe and vent stack, expelling them outside. This ventilation is a critical safety component, protecting you and your home from hazardous buildup. In most cases, the fan is located inside the boiler casing, near the heat exchanger. The main sensors used in a gas boiler are thermocouple and flame sensor. These sensors monitor furnace operation and provide feedback to the control system. A thermocouple is a safety device that is used in gas boilers to detect whether the pilot light is lit. It is usually located near the pilot light assembly. It consists of two wires made of different metals that are joined together at one end and connected to a voltage sensor that operates the gas valve. When the pilot light is on, the voltage between the wires increases, and a small current flows through the valve, signaling the valve control to stay open. If the pilot light goes out, the thermocouple detects this and shuts off the gas valve to prevent unburnt gas from collecting around the burner assembly and creating a fire and explosion hazard. A flame sensor is a device that is used in gas boilers to detect whether the pilot light is lit. It is a safety component of a gas boiler located on the interior of the burner assembly. It monitors and verifies whether a flame is burning inside the unit. If the sensor does not detect an active flame, then it will shut the gas boiler off to avoid a potential gas leak. We now comprehend how the different components of gas boilers function together to provide heating. In the upcoming topics, we will examine various types of gas boilers to gain a better understanding of their unique components and operational processes.